2018 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, engine block heater. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.